Modern motorcycles come with a surprising number of built-in features and little design perks that many riders aren't aware of. Whether due to not reading the owner's manual or just not being obvious at first glance, these hidden features can really make your life easier once you discover them. Here are 9 secret features on many motorcycles that no one may have told you about. Number 1. Under-seat helmet lock. Many bikes hide a helmet locking system under the seat, even though riders often assume they must buy a separate lock. When the seat is removed, there may be a metal hook or bracket meant to secure a helmet by its D-ring. After placing the helmet strap onto the hook, you reinstall and lock the seat, effectively trapping the helmet in place. It's a simple security system that uses your existing seat lock instead of an extra accessory. New riders almost always overlook this feature because nothing visually indicates there's a helmet lock beneath the seat. Instead, they walk around holding their helmets or buy additional cables and locks. Once you know it's there, it quickly becomes one of the most convenient built-in tools for short stops, errands, or parking at school or work. Checking under your seat is worth the minute it takes. Many motorcycles include this quiet but practical feature straight from the factory. Number 2. Onboard toolkit and spare fuses. Tucked away beneath a panel or under the seat, many motorcycles come from the factory with a small toolkit designed for roadside fixes. These tools aren't high-end, but they are carefully chosen to match the fasteners and adjustments your bike may need on the road. Typical kits include a screwdriver, a few open-end wrenches, Allen keys, a fuse puller, and sometimes even a spark plug wrench. Most riders never even look, assuming they need to buy tools separately. The real treasure inside the kit, though, is often the spare fuses. A blown fuse can instantly kill your lights, ignition, or dash. Having replacements right on the bike can turn what seems like a breakdown into a 2-minute repair. Because these tools and fuses are hidden, they feel like a secret waiting to be discovered. Taking a few minutes to explore what your bike includes can save a long wait on the side of the road. Number 3. Ignition parking light position. Many motorcycles have an additional key position marked with a P, which activates the parking lights without turning on the ignition. This mode is meant to make the bike visible when parked on narrow or dimly lit streets. It turns on the rear running light and sometimes a front position light. Because this feature isn't obvious, riders sometimes activate it by accident by turning the key too far. The result? A drained battery. Understanding how this position works prevents that problem and allows you to use it intentionally when needed. The feature is especially helpful when parking in poor visibility areas where passing cars need to see your bike from a distance. Once you recognize that the P position is a deliberate safety tool rather than an odd quirk in the ignition switch, you gain another small but useful function built into your motorcycle's design. Number 4. Fuel reserve switch or low fuel indicators. Older carbureted motorcycles have a fuel petcock with 3 settings: on, off, and RES. When the fuel level drops below a certain point, switching to RES allows access to the remaining fuel in the tank, providing enough miles to reach the nearest station. Many riders who buy older bikes discover this only after running out of fuel the first time. Newer fuel-injected motorcycles no longer use petcocks, but they still include reserve indicators, typically a low fuel light or a reserve trip counter that begins counting up when fuel hits a certain threshold. Many riders underestimate how much fuel remains when warning lights turn on, but most bikes hold roughly a gallon after the indicator activates. Understanding how your specific motorcycle communicates low fuel helps avoid the frustration of pushing your bike to a gas station. This feature, whether mechanical or digital, acts as a safety net disguised as a simple dashboard light or switch. Number 5. Adjustable suspension preload. Many motorcycles allow adjustment of rear suspension preload, yet countless riders never touch it. Preload determines how much the spring compresses when the bike is loaded. Riding with a passenger, carrying luggage, or even weighing more than average can affect how the suspension behaves. If the preload is too low, the bike may sag, bottom out, or feel unstable in corners. Manufacturers hide the adjuster on the rear shock. It may look like a ring, a stepped collar, or an internal hex fitting. Learning how to adjust it transforms the motorcycle's handling. With the right preload setting, the bike feels planted, responsive, and balanced. Many riders are surprised how different their motorcycle feels simply by matching preload to their weight and load. This hidden ability to tune the ride for comfort and performance is one of the most underused features on modern bikes. Number 6. Adjustable levers and foot controls. Brake and clutch levers on many motorcycles feature small dials or screws that allow you to change their reach. Riders with smaller or larger hands often don't realize they can adjust how far the levers sit from the handlebar. A simple rotation of the adjuster dramatically changes comfort and control. Foot controls, including the gear shift lever and rear brake pedal, are often adjustable as well. They may use threaded linkages or splines that allow you to raise or lower their resting position. Properly dialing these controls to your body improves shifting accuracy and braking feel. Many riders assume the factory settings are fixed, but manufacturers intentionally make them adjustable so the motorcycle can be customized for different sizes and riding styles. Discovering these adjustments makes the bike feel more natural and tailored. Number 7. Steering lock for built-in security. Most street motorcycles include a steering lock that engages with the ignition key. Turning the bars fully left and rotating the key to the lock position immobilizes the front wheel, preventing the bike from being rolled away easily. Although simple, this feature is an effective theft deterrent and is included on nearly all modern motorcycles. New riders often forget it exists and rely solely on disc locks or chains. Using the built-in steering lock adds an extra barrier against thieves and takes only a second to activate. Because it's integrated into the ignition system, there's no extra gear to carry or worry about. This practical feature is one of the most important yet overlooked forms of basic motorcycle security. Number 8. Trip meter as a fuel gauge. Motorcycles without fuel gauges rely heavily on the trip meter, but many riders don't realize how useful it is. Resetting the trip meter every time you fill up allows you to track fuel consumption based on mileage rather than guessing. Once you learn how many miles your tank typically provides, the trip meter becomes a reliable indicator of when it's time to refuel. For example, if your bike usually hits reserve around 150 miles, you know to look for gas stations once that number approaches. This simple habit prevents surprises and gives predictable control over your fuel range. The trip meter is not designed solely for tracking distance. It doubles as a hidden tool for fuel management, especially on bikes with minimal dashboards. Number 9. Safety interlocks for clutch and side stand. Motorcycles include several safety switches designed to prevent accidental movement. The side stand switch cuts the engine if you shift into gear with the stand down, protecting you from riding off with the stand extended. The clutch switch often requires the clutch to be pulled in before the engine will start, even in neutral. To new riders, these safety features can feel like electrical problems, but they're intentional and essential. Learning how they work helps you troubleshoot startup issues, such as when the bike won't start, simply because the stand is down or the clutch isn't engaged. These built-in interlocks ensure safer operation and prevent common mistakes that can damage the motorcycle or cause accidents.